Welcome dear creatives. In this video I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful headpiece that is showing on your screen right now. You just need simple materials. You need your Alice band, you need your sugar lace, yes, sugar applique, sorry, yeah, sugar applique. You need your UHU glue, and then you need your sequins. So what I'm going to do right now is to use my UHU glue and apply at one edge of my Alice band, and then I'm going to start using my sequins to wrap. Okay, so I'll wrap and apply some glue. Just keep watching and learning, you will understand. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer you. So now that I've gotten to the other end, I'll simply, repeat exactly what I also did at the beginning or what I've been doing at the other parts. I'll put in some glue like I just did, and then I'll press it down to ensure that it is properly glued, to ensure that the sequence is properly glued on my Alice band, okay? I want to believe that you're enjoying this, my video. I have a lot of other DIYs on the same channel, but you can also just subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so you'll not miss out on my weekly DIYs that I drop every Wednesday by 3 p.m. If you are new to my channel, I want to specially welcome you. Welcome to this family. We drop DIYs every Wednesday by 3 p.m. You're specially welcome. Please subscribe. Also turn on your notification button. If you're a returning subscriber, I believe you have subscribed. Thank you for coming back. I really appreciate this. Please like this video, comment, share, so it will get to more people that love DIYs like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take my sugar applique, yes, sugar lace applique, and then I applied some glue on it, and I'm going to properly attach it on my Alice band that I have already wrapped with my sequence. So choose the best place that you would like yours to be, but I prefer this particular point where I'm attaching this. Did you know that Vifeomaminds engages in both online and offline millinery trainings? You can be part of that training. It doesn't matter how far away you are located from where we are. We can do some trainings online. Yes, you can be a pro through our online trainings, the paid trainings too. Yes. So right now I have properly attached my applique on my Alice band that I wrapped, and this is how beautiful it came out. If you'd love to be part of any of our trainings, let me know in the comment section. Or you can contact Vifeomaminds through the number that is showing on your screen right now.